Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be unboxing, setting up, and exploring the features of the Quntis Computer Monitor Lamp. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. After opening the package, we found a few sealed plastic bags and, of course, the Quntis light bar itself. This lamp is perfect for 15 and 22-inch monitors and can be used for various activities such as office work, design, studying, painting, reading, or gaming. This LED task lamp with auto dimming is a great lighting solution that can enhance your productivity while working on your PC. The main goal of the light bar is to illuminate your workspace, helping you see better, work more efficiently, and reduce eye strain and dryness. It's a small, compact lighting solution that can enhance your vision, increase productivity, and enable you to work for longer periods without discomfort. The lamp comes with a 6.5 feet USB-C cable that you can connect to your monitor. The cable is used for optimal use in power supply greater than or equal to 5 volts or 1 ampere. Now, plug the USB-C edge of the cable into the USB-C port and you're good to go. It comes with an Allen key to tighten the hinges of the monitor lamp if they become loose over time. Also, the plastic part is available to fit the monitor light by adding them to the back. The Quntis Computer Monitor Lamp is a great lighting solution that can enhance your productivity while working on your PC. It illuminates your monitor and provides ample lighting for your keyboard, which is excellent for nighttime work. There's also a weighted screen clip mount that sits on top of the monitor, which keeps the lamp stable. Lastly, there's a user guide included in the package that you can refer to for the setup process. It contains pictorial information about the parts and its description. You can check for the device where to use it. Also, you can follow the step-by-step guide and know how to use the button available on the LED monitor light. After that, follow the steps to know how to mount the lamp bar and how to mount the screen clip cover. You can also follow the user guide to fix the clip tie issue. According to the user manual, you should attach the clip to the light bar by working it over the bar instead of sliding it from the side. Now, let's get into how to set it up. Keep the user manual and follow the steps to mount the lamp bar and the screen clip cover. Also, the plastic part is available to fit the monitor light by adding them to the back. The screen bar is a special lightning to desk, not light to the screen. There is no glare, and it protects your eyes and alleviates eye strain and dryness. To turn on the light monitor, plug the USB cable into the USB port and press the power button. The lamp comes with built-in touch controls that allow you to adjust the brightness and temperature of the LED light. There's also an ambient light sensor that automatically supplements the most comfortable light. On the left side of the monitor light, the first button at the top is the manual dimmer button, which you can long press for 3 seconds to adjust the brightness gradually. The second button at the top is known as the color temperature adjustment button, and you can long press the key for 3 seconds to gradually adjust the color temperature. On the right side of the monitor light, there's an auto dimmer button available. When the auto dimming mode is activated, the blue indicator light is on. The auto dimming function helps to adjust the brightness to prevent eye fatigue smartly. Also, a power button helps to turn the light on or off. Now let's unbox the Quntis Monitor Light Bar Pro with the remote control. This lamp is the perfect fit for curved and flat monitors. Like the Quntis Computer Monitor Lamp, the Quntis Monitor Light Bar Pro with remote control is a touch control monitor light with a wireless remote. It has a minimalist and sophisticated design, integrates perfectly with any desktop setup, adding a touch of style without cluttering the workspace with cables or bulky bases. There are 2 Allen keys to tighten the hinges of the monitor lamp if they become loose over time. It is designed with a USB-C port and an upgraded weighted clip that hangs on the monitor to be more stable and doesn't shake. The wireless remote control also comes with this monitor. At the back side of the remote control, the battery box is available. Select a clip according to the shape of your computer screen and accomplish with an adjustment cover. Also, plastic parts are available to fit the monitor light by adding them to the back. There is a 45-degree adjustable rotation angle that gives perfect coverage of light so users can operate it all on the desktop. Plug the USB cable into the USB port and press the power button. Place a couple of AAA batteries to use the remote control for the light bars. The remote control has an on/off button available at the center, and the color temperature control is available at the top edge. The lamp comes with built-in touch controls that allow you to adjust the brightness and temperature of the LED light. The brightness control is available on the side panel of the remote control. It is easy to adjust the light to a vertical downward position. So, enhance your viewing experience with an extensive range of remote control monitor light bars for professional work. Check out the product links in the video description and try these affordable monitor lights. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest unboxing videos.